Tecno Mobile, a subsidiary of Hong Kong-based Transsion Holdings, on Monday launched a new smartphone, the Camon iTwin in India. The specification of the Camon iTwin are pretty similar to the Infinix Hot 6 Pro smartphone, which was launched in India recently as an online exclusive smartphone. The Camon iTwin smartphone comes with a 111 policy. Under this, Tecno is offering 100 days of replacement warranty, one-time screen replacement, and a 1-month extended warranty on the Camon iTwin. Here we got a retail unit of the Tecno Camon iTwin with us, and let's unbox it and see what's all it has to offer. First thing inside the box is the Camon iTwin smartphone in midnight black color variant. Next, we have a translucent black silicone case which is included inside the box. Next, we have a wall adapter which is rated at 5 watts and 2 amperes output, a micro USB cable to charge the device, and an earpiece. That's all inside the box. The Tecno Camon iTwin has a tall display at the front, and at the back we have a dual rear camera setup at the top, and the midnight black color variant has a matte finish similar to the one we have seen on the Infinix Hot 6 Pro. The device features a 6-inch HD Plus 2.5D curved glass display with a 18:9 aspect ratio and a 1440x720 pixels resolution with a 87.48% screen to body ratio. The Camon iTwin is powered by a 1.4 GHz quad-core Qualcomm Snapdragon 425 processor. The smartphone is backed by a 3 GB of RAM and 32 GB of internal storage, which can be further expanded up to 128 GB using a micro SD card slot. The device features a triple SIM card slot, where 2 of them can be used to house SIM cards, and there's one other dedicated slot for micro SD card. Talking about the camera of the smartphone, it includes a 13 megapixel primary camera on the rear with f2.0 aperture, a quad LED flash, and a 5p lens. There is a secondary 2 megapixel depth sensing camera as well, which adds bokeh effects to the images. The camera app offers features such as portrait mode, 4x digital zoom, AI beauty, AI auto screen detection, AI bokeh, and panorama mode. On the front, there is a 13 megapixel shooter with an LED flash and a f2.0 aperture. The device features a fingerprint sensor at the back, and the device can also be unlocked using the face unlock feature. The Camon iTwin smartphone comes in midnight black and champagne gold color variants and is priced at 11,499 only and will be available from offline stores all across India. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more such videos.